2D and 3D print functionality work very differently from each other. For example, 2D printing allows the map view to be printed at a certain scale, such as 1:100. In contrast, 3D printing cannot accommodate a specific scale. Instead, it allows you to take a snapshot of the 3D view of the map and export it as a JPEG image that can be directly used in presentations. In order to take a 3D snapshot of the map view, click the Save View as JPEG button. The snapshot can then be downloaded by clicking the View JPEG button. This functionality is simple, but very useful to generate 3D views of the cityscape.